What is going on there, guys? Welcome back to the channel as always, where we talk about entrepreneurship, making some money, to stocks, and just all these different types of topics, okay? So if this is for you and you're interested in all these type of different things, be sure you hit subscribe, okay? That way you stay updated on more videos, okay? So anyways, now guys, we're in the month of November in 2018, which means we're basically about to enter 2019 in the next month and a half or so. Which also means that some of you are probably still working at a job that you hate, and that's all you're doing, meaning you're not thinking of starting maybe something on the side, making extra money to get out of that, or just doing something else entirely, okay? So in today's video, I'm actually going to go over on what I personally think are the top 3 best ways that you can start making money coming 2019. Now, just because I put 2019 doesn't necessarily mean you should wait until 2019, okay? If you can start right now, that's even better. Just go ahead and start right now, okay guys? Also, these 3 ways are going to require no type of college degree whatsoever or getting into massive amount of debt or anything. So to not put the work and effort and energy into doing one of these things, it's just you being lazy at this point, okay guys? So to begin this video, let's start with number 1, which is going to be the obvious, starting a YouTube channel. Now, I don't know how many of you guys actually know how much a YouTuber actually makes, but I've seen, YouTube gamers. I mean, they're making over thousands of dollars each month just from playing video games, guys, okay? And there's plenty of YouTubers who are making over 6 figures just off YouTube. So this is definitely one really interesting way to actually start making some money, as long as you're willing to put in the work, effort, and energy, willing to put in the time and just keep, constantly putting up videos and, just taking the time off work or whatever, whenever you have that free time to just consistently put videos out whenever you can. Just to try to create that, channel, because see, when it comes to YouTube, there's different many ways you can make money off a YouTube channel. For one, the obvious, the ads, whenever people watch a certain ad at a certain length, you get paid from those people watching those ads. Another way to make money off YouTube is if you're really good in a certain niche, like take for example, my channel, since I'm talking about finances and whatnot in the stock market and all that. Well, someone in my niche, could create a course on how to, invest in the stock market or something, and people could go and buy that course. Therefore, you're making extra money on top of your YouTube aside, So it's basically you making 2 times the money just off one YouTube channel. And another way you can actually make money from your YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing, where you put like Amazon links down on your description, and if people buy those products or whatever, then you essentially make a little commission fee off that. So this is definitely one great way to start making money coming 2019, because come on guys, with the upcoming years coming up, YouTube is becoming more and more relevant. I mean, I personally don't remember when's the last time I actually turned on a TV, because all my entertainment just comes from YouTube, honestly. Now, number 2, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of Amazon, right? And eBay and all these different type of e-commerce platforms, right? Well, there's also a thing called dropshipping. And if you know what dropshipping is, and what dropshipping is, for those of you who may not know what dropshipping is exactly, basically, you make your own online store, either through Shopify, eBay, or something like that. You create your store, design it and everything, and you just go on a different website like AliExpress or Alibaba or any of those different platforms where you can buy bulks of items or anything. And essentially, you post those items on your website, and once someone makes a purchase off your store, you go and fulfill that order, meaning once they buy it from your store personally, you go and fulfill it from the other website. You have it shipped to them specifically. So basically, it's like you're doing eBay, but without you actually wrapping the packages, mailing them, going to USPS or FedEx or wherever. And you basically just sell those products for a little bit higher, and the profit you make is the difference, So if you bought a product for $10 and you sold it for $20, then you just made a $10 profit. But of course, there's also the shipping costs and PayPal fees, and I mean, just a whole lot of different things when it comes to drop shipping. But I'm not going to go over exactly every detail on this type of topic right now, because it's just way too much to break down. But if you also wonder why I chose this as a great way to make money in 2019, it's because, guys, more and more people are buying online. Brick and mortar stores aren't really cutting it nowadays. I mean, look at Sears. It's slowly falling apart. And a bunch of other big retailer stores are closing down stores simply because they cannot keep up with these e-commerce stores, such as Amazon, for example. Look at them, they're killing it right now with these sales. So try considering dropshipping as an alternative way to make money. Now, number 3, the last of the list, and this is basically social media marketing. So what social media marketing basically is, guys, now I know you've seen plenty of little local stores around your neighborhoods or something, or down the street, some of them might not be getting the customers that they need, or they're either too busy to actually handle a social media page. So with social media marketing, basically, is you basically go to one of these companies, you go to them and be like, hey, I can get you more sales, I can get you more people to come to your store and make more purchases, I can get you more customers and whatnot. And to do this, you basically either handle their Instagram page, their Facebook page, you make all these posts and whatnot, make them look really nice, make them look, eye-catching, and so it attracts customers. So when these local stores see that you're bringing in more customers to them, they're going to pay you in return for doing this, because all you're doing is handling their pages. You're able to bring them more customers. So you could actually be charging people $1,000 a month to do this. So if you even get one client, that's $1,000 a month. But let's say you get 10 clients, you're making $10,000 a month doing this, okay? And if you're doing it this big, you can start actually forming your own agency doing this. But again, guys, there's so much deep detail into these different types of ways that it's just too much to go over in one simple video. But yes, guys, this is going to be my best 3 top ways to actually start making some money. Again, no degree required, no major debt required or anything. This is really just all going to depend on you, on how motivated you are, how much you actually want to keep this business going. And if you really just want to make money doing this, again, the YouTube, dropshipping, social media marketing, these are things that you're going to see more into the future, guys, okay? So do consider something like this, which is also why I mentioned these 3 top things, because with internet becoming more and more accessible and more of a daily thing, these, in my opinion, are definitely going to be the best ways to start making some good money. But again, don't take my word for it. If not, go on YouTube and whatnot. I guarantee you're going to find plenty of people who are doing this and they're just killing it, okay? But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down there so you stay notified on more videos. And also be sure to hit that little notification bell so that you actually get notified for more videos. That way you'll be the first one to stay up to date with these videos. And as always, leave me a comment down below. What do you think is one of the best ways to make money on 2019 that I didn't mention in this video? Let others know. And if you are doing one of these already and you are making money doing this, let me know how you guys are doing. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up. And I'll see you guys in the next video.